Hi guys, ito pala yung ang aming unang bedroom. Yan. May cabinet. Yan din. Aircon. Pero hindi na pinapaandar kasi hindi kami dito natutulog. So this is our first bedroom. At simple lang siya. Yan. So, ginawa ng husband ko lahat ng pero dito ginawa. Dinala sa isang kwarto. At ito naman pala yung aming living room. Yan lang siya. TV, yung sofa, ito yung kitchen. So, bago pa siya, bagong bili today. So, ito yung first bathroom. Tran! So, yan ang shower. Yung heater. At ito naman yung first bathroom sa itong kwarto. Kasi dalawang room ito. At tapos tayo sa isang room. Tingnan natin. Tara. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung main bedroom namin, which is yung main bed namin. So, that's all for today guys. Yun lang yung apartment tour for today. So, see you for our next video. Bye guys.